going to show you how to use the MMU system with the auto rewind inside the spool tank. So to use it, you need your spools, you need 5 rollers like this. This is printed springs inside. So you should place it inside your spool. Be careful that the top arrows are facing near you, like this. So insert it like this, and then we're going to place it inside the spool tank. Make sure that the ends of the rolls of the roller are correctly placed inside the uprights. Then you should remove the end of your filament, insert it inside the PTFE tubing, and push it against your MMU just here. Then we are going to preload the springs inside the spool. So maintain your spool like this, and then roll the printed roller inside like this, and make 6 or 7 turns, and release the spool. That's normal, that's moving a bit, and that will allow the MMU to, when the MMU will unload the filament will rewind around the spool.